Wanted to make a quick video to showcase one of our clients that we took over in, I think it was the summer of last year, somewhere in June or something, and they've been generating leads for quite some time. And to give you some context, they're a beauty center. They have a lot of different locations around Belgium. We just took over the client ad account. We saw some things that we could have improved, and yeah, that's what we did when we took over. Of course, to give you a context, when we took over the ad account, they had different type of campaigns running with super specific targeting. Right now, the best way to go about something on Facebook is actually leaving the targeting super broad, no targeting, only use targeting in copy as well as in the ads. For this example, it's laser for the body, for hair removal, those type of things. Most of the clients are of course women. That's the only targeting we did, as well as location targeting, because it's pretty important. No one's gonna drive more than 50 kilometers, 30 kilometers to go and get their hair removed. So the first thing that we saw was that inside one of campaign, as you can see, the campaigns, first of all, they ran 3 years straight, which is a long time to run a campaign. Of course, if the campaign is working, it's okay. What we saw as well was they were using two type of treatments inside of one campaign. So they did body, laser hair removal, as well as facial. And that was one of the biggest things as well that we saw. And there was a big problem because Facebook only was optimizing towards the facials instead of the bodies. Another thing that we saw as well was actually kind of crazy, but as you can see, it's just one ad set. And look how many different ads they have. Inside of one ad set, they have 19 ads. There are 11 ads active on a budget of not even €7 daily. So it's crazy. It's not enough budget to test the ads or the targeting of the ads. What we did was actually transform all the different campaigns into their 3 services. So you have laser, you have facial, and you have body. And that came with a problem a bit, because we went from budgets of €7 daily to €3 daily to €1 daily. As you can see, some campaigns are running for €1, but they're generating leads at a pretty cheap cost as well. So that means that it's working, which is a good thing. And in general, what we did was we went from having a super niched out targeting, super dense targeting with manual placements and everything, which we're not a fan of. We like to do Advantage Plus placements. Why? Because that way campaigns deliver the best. Facebook is optimizing. As you can see as well, it's like around the region, female between ages of 25 to 60, and they had a big interest in everything regarding cosmetics. And as you can see, the audience size is super small, of course. But so what we actually did when we came in, broaden, I should say, the targeting way more. We just put it broad, pretty simple. We only did the region, the ages we kept broad, and then as well as gender, because of course we're focusing more on the female side, and Advantage Plus. And then what we did was starting to test different creatives on a super low budget, which is already pretty hard. Based on the budget, you already see what Facebook is delivering towards, what Facebook likes, what Facebook is thinking as a winner. We double down on those type of things. As you can see here, for example, you see the different types of costs per lead. You will see it pretty often in ad accounts that it's the 80-20 rule. 80% of the budget goes to 20% of the ads. And as you can see here, for example, this one should actually be turned off, but it's a video and it's still decently performing. We can turn it off, but at the same time, Facebook is giving it spend. But you see, it's a bigger cost. So actually, we should turn it off, but at the same time we keep it running, because every single location has the skin coach make a video about herself, about the location, which is a good top of the funnel ad in my opinion. But so that's what we did. We took over the account, broadened the targeting, and split up the different services, which actually made us more comfortable working, more comfortable testing creatives, because that way you can really focus your copy, your creatives on just one type of service. For example, here with the hair removal, we just focused on one type of creative. We saw a huge increase in not only the leads, but also the cost per leads. That really went down by implementing just our strategies, which is a good thing to see, of course. Yeah, I just wanted to share you this quick video on just a small quick win that you can implement that will actually increase your sales and decrease cost per lead, as well as increasing the quality of your leads by just broadening your targeting only with locations or genders, and then just really focusing on targeting people inside the ad creatives and the copy. Small thing that you can implement to generate way more leads at a stupidly cheap cost. And I hope this helps. So if you need more help, let me know.